Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a Jeopardy style game using Canva. The first and fastest way is to use Canva AI. Open Canva and at the top, click on Canva AI. Here, type a prompt like create a Jeopardy about food or create a Jeopardy about travel. After a few seconds, Canva AI will generate a Jeopardy game for you. You can view it and make any changes you want, such as editing questions, answers, colors, or images. This is the quickest way to get started. The other way is to use templates. Go back to the home screen and go to the template section. Type presentations in the search bar. Browse through the presentation templates and choose one that you like. After selecting a template, click on Customize this template. This will open the template inside the Canva editor. Now you can customize every detail. Change the title of your Jeopardy game, edit the questions and answers, adjust colors, fonts, and images, or rearrange the slides. You can also add animations to make the game more interactive. When you are finished, click on the Share button at the top. From here, you can download your Jeopardy game or share it directly with anyone using a link. You can also present it live from Canva if you want to play in a group or classroom setting. Thanks for watching.